Okay, guys, so I have a special video for today. This is sponsored by my mother. Thanks, Mom. Um, so my mom, like, yesterday, not even, I think it was the day before yesterday or something, sent me this mirror. I'll put a picture up. And, well, make sure it's not showing my address. It came. I don't think that sticker shows my address. I know the one on this side does. And we're gonna unbox it together because this is how big it is. Um, Me and my mom did not think it was supposed to come this big, but me and her are hoping. Yeah, this does not have my address, but me and her are hoping that it has like extra padding or something, and that's why it's in such a big box. Those of you who don't know and you're new, my vanity light used to work, but my old best friend somehow broke it on one of our sleepovers. I'm not even entirely sure how. And it's fine, whatever. But it's something like with the wiring that broke. So it's like not like an easy fix or something that I could do and fix myself. Like I'd have to take it like I don't even know where to get it fixed. But it's cool. I'm just hoping that this is able to sit on my vanity without like blocking my view or anything. Oh, it's definitely big. Okay, there's something else in the box. A little mirror. Like a little suction cup mirror. There's this on the back. Okay, so this does have to be plugged into the wall. This is the actual size of it. It's still got that like clear wrap on it. I think I should definitely try to set this up myself. I think that's a good idea. I'm cutting the bag open because I can. I don't know what you guys want from me. Okay. Okay, this can either stand in two different ways, which is what these are for. These are for if you want to put it up this way with like and attach it to like a wall, which is what I don't want. I want it to stand up I don't know how this is going to plug in because this cord is so short. I want to see if it works before I bring it over there. Which there is an outlet over here that should work. I say should work because I don't know if it's gonna. Okay. It works. Okay. Here are the thingamajiggies, like the what sets it up. Now we have to clean off my vanity. Like, I don't want anything here because, first of all, I have to unplug the pink one and I want to move it. Okay, that just like fell. I'm trying to make sure I unplug the right cord because over here is where it's going to plug in. And so I need this space. I don't know what I'll do with that mirror for now. I mean, maybe I'll put it somewhere else. But I don't know. I definitely think this is not enough room. Okay, this should be enough room. I mean, if not, I can figure something out. I'm gonna bring it over here. Okay. Okay, yeah, that was enough room actually. This is really big. I was trying to set it in the, like, these things. It's definitely big. Oh, geez. I can't do this with one hand. Could not do that with one hand. It's like... I feel like it's sitting weird. I don't know, I'm gonna take the other one out real quick so I can tear the rest of that clear stuff off. Okay. Okay, yeah. That wire is definitely short. That is actually such good lighting. I know you guys can see it in my glasses, which is the main reason I don't wear my glasses in my videos as often as I used to. If you go back and look at my old videos, I think I very frequently wore my glasses, but like this is so good. Like this is such good lighting. And the mirror's actually really big. Yes, I still have this behind here, but I do have plans of sorry, I accidentally paused that. I do have plans of getting a different vanity soon. So this is a really good replacement for now. This is really nice. I'm actually really impressed. I know there are different color features. There's this one, which I don't like. I'm cool undertoned, not warm undertoned. So this one's better. And then off. First one. Second one. Third one's kind of dimmer. And third one does, I will say, does look good on me, but I like the brighter, cooler lighting. I definitely think the third one looks best on me because it's kind of like warm but cool at the same time. So yeah, I will leave the Amazon link for this in the description. This is not sponsored at all, by the way. I'll also leave the link to my mics that I got off of Shein if you guys want them. I know I've been asked before, but it was on TikTok where I got my mics. I was on like TikTok Live. So yeah, I definitely did not need to clear as much space as I thought I did. So I can put this back. Oh, you guys can see my lonely lashes on there. Oops. This thing honestly moves pretty easily, but I kind of think that's a good thing. I don't know. I'm trying not to be a hater. I really like it. Yeah, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think and if I should, I don't know, like if I should decorate it or something, which I really don't want to decorate it, but like, I don't know, should I?